The negative cost expectation for Algorand, Algo, in 2025 explicitly in every way that really matters is $0.3079, with a possible by and large high of $0.3725 in a very beautiful significant manner. Algorand cost estimate proposes a chance of Algo exchanging between $1.96 to $2.33 in 2030, which vary all expectations and designs is genuinely critical. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Algorand in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $90.31 mark, which explicitly generally is genuinely critical. Algorand in every practical sense is as of now evaluated at $0.1570 in the market in a by and large significant manner. Long-haul investigation recommends that Algorand cost might actually flood to $100.66 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $95.87 and $111.09, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Starting around 06 December 2023, Algorand fundamentally is exchanging at $0.1570 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.39% in most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very critical, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algo by and large has a truly complete market cap of $1,256,775,755, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $87,601,096, demonstrating the way that long-haul examination proposes that Algorand cost might actually flood to $100.66 by 2050, with a very really expected range somewhere in the range of $95.87 and $111.09 in a fundamentally beautiful significant manner. This explicitly for the most part makes Algorand, Algo, in every practical sense, lovely positioning at 54 in the digital currency market in a genuinely sort of enormous manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2040, what will Algorand generally be worth in 2040, which truly is genuinely huge? Is Algorand a fundamentally wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2040 in an unpretentious manner? Will Algo cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed height, really as opposed to prevalent thinking, which in a real sense is very huge? These basically are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, exhibiting that these fundamentally are our Algorand cost forecasts for Algo's future in a significant manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2040, as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Algo cost fundamentally for the most part is supposed to in a real sense cross an essentially normal value level of $0.1545, the normal kind of least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to be $0.1398. Which basically shows that this essentially explicitly makes Algorand, Algo, truly positioning at 54 in the digital money market, truly sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Algo can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.1589, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. Algo value gauge December 2023, the Algorand figure for December 2023 expects that the Algo may sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.1589, with an especially really least cost of around $0.1398, or so they fundamentally thought. Discussing the very normal value Algo can actually basically stretch around $0.1545 for December in an unpretentious manner. Algorand entirely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost explicitly has shown an excellent increment of 3.07% in the very most recent 24 hours, so discussing the very kind of typical value Algo can sort of stretch around $0.1545 for December, which explicitly by and large is very huge. From most recent 7 days, the Algo in every practical sense was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 19.58%, which truly is very huge. Algorand in every practical sense truly has shown extremely serious areas of strength for of potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to dive right in and contribute. So Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2040, as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination. In 2040, the Algo value sort of is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.1545, The normal truly least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the fundamentally in every way that really matters, current year ought to explicitly basically be $0.1398, which basically shows that this sort of makes Algorand, Algo, truly positioning at 54 in the cryptographic money market. In every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand Value Gauge 2040 Facts. What will be Algorand truly worth in 2040, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is very huge. The Algo value for the most part is estimated to really arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.1589, with truly least cost of $0.1398 toward the finish of 2040, exhibiting that Algorand cost figure recommends a chance of Algo exchanging between $1.96 to $2.33 in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Algorand explicitly have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Algorand basically has an extraordinary by and large potential to, in every practical sense, arrive at new levels, showing how the negative cost expectation for Algorand, Algo, in 2025 generally is $0.3079, with a truly possible extremely high of $0.3725, which for the most part is very critical. It in every practical sense is estimate that Algo will increment in esteem, showing how Algorand fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost in every way that really matters has shown an essentially decent increment of 3.07% as of now. So discussing the especially normal value Algo can for the most part stretch around $0.1545 for December in a by and large certainly huge manner. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, Algorand can truly stir things up around town all expectations and purposes, practically the greatest cost of $4.70 till 2030, which especially shows that Algorand by and large has shown exceptionally all things considered, solid extremely potential recently, and this could be in every way that really matters. Great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, so Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2040. As per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Algo cost explicitly basically is supposed to especially certainly cross a very truly normal value level of $0.1545. The normal sort of least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the very current year ought to basically fundamentally be $0.1398, which by and large shows that this in every practical sense makes Algorand, Algo, in every way that really matters, positioning at 54 in the cryptographic money market, or so they basically generally thought. Is Algorand genuinely worth purchasing in 2040, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Algorand's incentive generally is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general explicitly energize cost rise, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Kindly note, there generally essentially is a gamble to any venture, showing how the negative cost expectation for Algorand, Algo, in 2025, especially most certainly is 0.30